Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Alias Manwas Hariputi. I'm from Communication Science. I want to express my opinion about smoking in Arian campus. This modern lifestyle make us forget that health is most important things. One of the trending lifestyle is smoking. For some people, smoking is mandatory, even though there is negative effects on their health. Cigarette smoke consists of 4,000 and 2,000. They are toxic. These include carbon monoxide and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons that contain substances that trigger cancer, such as tar, benzopyrenes, phenyl chloride, and nicotine. In addition, nicotine can be addictive, but in activists and passive smokers. Active and passive smokers are at risk of causing with shortness of breath, 6 times compared to non-smokers. In cigarettes, there is also nicotine. Nicotine is alkaloid that is stimulant and high doses it's toxic. This substance it's only present in tobacco. Is highly addictive and affect the brain and nervous system. In the long run, nicotine will suppress the brain's ability to experience exposure. So smokers will always need high and higher level of nicotine to exceed this level of satisfaction and addiction. If we are already dependent, it will trigger various types of cancer, such as cancer of the mouth, throat, lung, and so on. To stop smoking, I suggest several ways, starting from wise determination to stop smoking, followed by throwing away all the cigarette you have. Then stay away from where is who always smoking or people who are smoking. Invite your family member to not smoking, to stop smoking, and trying to keep you busy. Exercise regularly, eat regularly, and if there is a desire to save smoke, liberate it quits with healthy gulp. There are also reasons of forbidden of smoking in campus area. First, cleanliness environment. Careless discard cigarette butt can pollute the campus and environment. In addition, cigarette smoke also causes air pollution which can damage the comfort and cleaning of the environment. By implementing smoke den in campus, it's trying to keep the environment clean and create a beautiful green smokers. The second is comfort and productivity. A place of learning that should provide a comfortable environment and supporting academic productivity. Cigarette smoke often disturb others study or working. With the smoking ban, it is hoped that the learning atmosphere on campus will be more comfortable and focus without the distraction of cigarette smoke. The third is ethic and compliance with regulation. Forbidding smoking in campus area is also start of an effort to instill discipline and good attitude to our campus residents. Campus as an educational national institution must be a role model in implementing in integration and support health and well-being together. Compliance with this forbidden reflect an attitude of responsibility and concern for others. Usually, there are several campuses that impose sanctions on students who smoking in campus area, especially in classroom. For class who violate these rules, strict sanctions will be given accordance with campus regulation, such as right warning or one on other disciplinary action. The application of this session is carried out in area to create a mutual awareness and compliance. Last, the smoking one in area is not just matter of complying with the rules, but also about maintaining the health, comfort, and quality of the learning environment. With the support of party, we can create a healthier and better campus for our future together. Let's comply with these rules for the sake of our common welfare. That's all I can say. More only I say I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Here I want to tell you about question word. What is question word? Let's see. The question word. What is Y and H question or question word? Question word is English that are present by YH word. What is function Y and H question? YH question are used by someone to asking for information to which interlocutor must provide and their answer in English also known asking an open question. In other words, you cannot answer integrative sentence with the weight Y and H question from using only yes or no. In Indonesia, you might only know 5 Y and 1 H, but in English, you have to learn 8 Y and 1 H. Well, what are the 8 Y and 1 H? The answer is what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Let's discuss about them one by one. Below are examples of why question, example, and how to answer them. A. Where's the bag? Expert's answer is the location of the bag. B. Is the next room the reception? If you are asking what is yes no question, so yes no question is the type of question that only figures all yes or no answer. For example, do you have an identity card? Yeah. From the question is be without being followed by further information is enough. One is what? What is a question word in English that is used to asking about object, activity, concept that occur or our information in a particular event, activity, or context. Information is the obtained information about contained object, activity, or concept in the conversation or situation. Example: what are you doing? What is your name? What shall I do? Besides function to find information about something, the word what can also be used for asking for revision or confirmation, aka asking for revision or confirming what is conveyed by others. For example, what? I can hear you. You did what? 2. Where? If you want to find out information about the location, place, destination, and present position of someone or something, of course, the right question is word to use is where. Example: where did I live? Where is your mom? Where my telephone? 3. Why? This word is used to asking the reason behind an event, action, happening, or situation. So, when you want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can asking why. Example: why do you love me? Why did it happen? Why are you crying? 4. When? When is an interrogative word used to asking about the time or period of time in which an event occurs. In function is to obtain information about specific time or period in conversation in situation, as well as helping us to know to understand the quest or schedule or an event. Example: when do you finish college? When does the taxi arrive? When did she leave? When the meeting will start? 5. Which? Guys, how often do you get confused about cuisine? Whatever cues related to God, to color, to opinion, and others. Well, you can use which is asking about confusion. Which is an English interrogative word that help us could be between several options. Invention is a request information about particular cues from a number of available options. Help us in decision making or to identify specific object or present in particular situation or context. Example: which color do you want? Of all the drink on the menu, which one would you like? Which one do you use the left of right or right? 6. Who? Who is an English integrative word used to asking about the identity of the person or group of people involved in particular activity or context. The who person help us to identify the relevant person or subject in context. Example: who opened the window? Who are you? Who is your boyfriend? Whom? 7. Whom is used when asking for the object of sentence or asking who will subjecting to the word. Whom is word that is often to confuse with who. Used to explain to object, the word whom itself is used when answer the question is him, her, it, me, you ask them. Object pronoun. Example: whom did you meet yesterday? Yesterday I met Lisa. Lisa in this sentence about in object with the pronoun is her, with its subject to action by the subject of the answer. So the use of whom in this tense is correct. The use of whom in the declarative sentence is different from who. Whom is from declarative sentence is used before the subject pronouns. 8. Whose. Whose. This word often refers to asking for ownership or possession. If used, it is easier and easier to recognize when making a sentence. Example: whose phone this is? That's mine. I left it yesterday. Thank you. And declarative sentence, whose is also used before a noun. This is like in use in integrative sentence. Example: I am the girl report the crime. Possessive pronoun consists of mine, ours, yours, theirs, hers, his, and its. All 7 pronouns can be used to be answer question using whose. Besides whose, there is also whose is short from who is. A part pronoun of this is the same, but the meaning is much different. 9. How. Lastly, there's how for you to use asking about manner or process, condition, and quality. It also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, age, manner, distance, or quantity. Example: how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. How was your exam? How often do you go to Bali in the year? Thank you. Thank you for everyone.